If you want to make that inflatable light up again like this, you're going to want to buy some of these LEDs. I'll share the link in my bio. This is where you find the light. I'll show you how to install these. We're going to cut our wire right here. Snip. Power was off. Peel these two wires apart. See that? Good? Yeah. I'm going to grab my wire strippers right here. Get my wires exposed. Now we're going to grab our little string of lights right here. I'm going to put my wire with the black strips on the wire with the red ones. We have our red wire tied onto our black wire, white and white. I threw a little nut on the back there to be safe. You can use a lot smaller wire nuts than this, but we are going to plug it in and you will see that we have much better light right here. Strip off here. I'm going to stick this. As I said, these are linked in my bio or the comments to help you guys out. Extremely easy job, cheap, affordable. File for more DIY tips.